Hi, this is Min and welcome to a new episode of She Walks the World. So today I'm going to introduce to you one of my favorite Chinese Malaysian cuisines and also one that I will actually bring my overseas friends to have a try whenever they visit Malaysia. It's called the Cantonese Fried Yee Mee. So I'm already hungry now, let's get started. So the ingredients for the Cantonese Fried Yee Mee are lightly beaten eggs, some lightly salted pork slices. You can also substitute it for chicken. Most of the time people use prawns or fish cakes, but because I don't have those, so I'm using crab sticks. Flour with water, about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, a little bit of garlic, and a glass of water. I'm also using few pak choy vegetables, but you can use choy sum or cabbages as well. And of course, the most important ingredient is the yee mee. I usually would prefer the thick yee mee, but because I don't have those, so I'm using the thinner shabu shabu yee mee. So I'm going to start with the yee mee, which I already dipped in a little bit of water, so it's gotten slightly softer. I want the yee mee to be a little bit crispy, so I'm going to fry it first. So now that it's got a little bit of crunch to it, we can take it out. And next, we're going to cook the gravy. So I'm going to just put a little pinch of oil and start with the garlic. I'm going to start cooking the pork slices first. I've already lightly salted it with some salt earlier, but you can also add in a little bit of soy sauce. So when the meat gets a little bit white, you know that it's maybe half cooked, you can add in the crab sticks. So when the pork is cooked, you can start adding in the vegetables. I'm going to add in the stalks first because it takes slightly longer to cook. So now that the stalks seem a little bit more cooked, I'm going to add in the leaves of the siu pak choy and the cup of water. Now if you want a little bit more sauce, you can always add in more water according to your preference. And what I'm going to do next is to crank up the heat and bring the water to boil. Now that it's boiled, we can add in some of the sauces, which is the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. If you want, you can also put in salt or sesame oil according to your preference. A little bit of pepper. And then to make the sauce a little bit more concentrated, I'm going to pour in the mixture of flour and water. Change to a ladle and slowly pour in the egg. We don't want to break it up too much, so you just lightly stir it after that. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer. Now we can see that the egg is quite done already. It is time to take the wok off the fire and pour it right onto the yee mee that I've prepared earlier.
Wow!
And that's how simple it is to make a Cantonese Fried Yee Mee. It's a great dish to share among family and friends. So do leave in the comments below what kind of international food you would like to see me cook on the show. This is Min. Don't forget to subscribe and thank you for watching She Walks the World. Bye!